Borderline unplayable. Adam Scott finds silver lining after U.S. Open collapse. Former world number one fades after holding share of lead on final day. Australian earns shot at 100th straight major with 12th place finish. Australian Associated Press on the 16th of June, 2025 5.25. BSD share exemption to a magnificent 100th consecutive major championship is the silver lining to Adam Scott's latest crushing collapse. Scott's late fade in near unplayable conditions from a share of the lead on the 12th hole to a tie for 12th behind U.S. Open winner J.J. Spawn adds to the list of agonizing finishes for Australia's former world number one. It was not quite as dramatic as Scott's meltdown at Royal Latham in 2012, when he had one hand on the famous claret jug only to blow a four-shot lead with 4 holes to play to gift Ernie Els the British Open trophy. Scott's latest near miss was more a death by 1,000 cuts as the beastly Oakmont Country Club lived up to its reputation as the most demanding course on the U.S. Open road. Scottish runner-up Robert McIntyre was the only player on the waterlogged course after a 68-minute storm-force suspension to shoot under par during the final round. Playing in the final group, Scott and third-round leader Sam Burns carded 79 and 78 respectively, yet both were still right in the thick of contention, just 1 stroke off the lead, before having their winning chances dashed on the 10th hole. Adam Scott said conditions were borderline unplayable toward the end when asked about Sam Burns being declined a casual water ruling at 15. "We must have looked horrible, both of us playing like that," Scott said. "But that's what can happen in these things. If you get a little off, you're just severely punished. It just wasn't easy out there. All things being equal, it's Sunday of the U.S. Open, one of the hardest setups, and the conditions were the hardest of the week."